We all know that every organism requires some place where its basic necessities like food, water, and shelter should be met. This place of living where plant and animal live and grow is known as habitat. All living organisms should adapt themselves to their habitat to thrive and survive in the surroundings.
Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about habitats. First, we want to know what is habitat? The habitat is the environment where plants and animals normally live and grow. Again, habitat is the environment where plants and animals normally live and grow. Animals and plants need suitable shelter, suitable food, and suitable weather to live normally, and this is called the habitat. Let's see the types of habitat in the world. The first type of habitat is the polar habitat. Polar habitat, as this in the picture, is located junior 3 or its place always found near the north and south poles where it is very cold and there are large amounts of ice. So the polar habitat found near the north and south pole. The animals that live in the polar habitat, like sea lions and some whales, they can live in cold water, and also like polar bears, Arctic foxes and penguins, and they can live on land. This is the sea lion, and this is the Arctic fox and the polar bears. Okay? Let's see the plants. The plants that can grow in polar habitat or in cold weather, like the shrubs. It grows close to the ground, near to the ground, and also the moss, which grows on rocks. These is the pictures of shrubs and moss. This is how they like. So the plants that grow in polar habitats are shrubs and moss. The other kind of habitat is the rainforest habitat. The rainforest habitat, like you see in the picture, can be found near to the equator where it is warm. What is the equator? The equator is the line in the middle of the earth. So rainforest found near to the equator where it is warm. The weather is warm. The animals that live in the forest, like frogs, macaws, large snakes, monkeys. The macaws is the bird, it's like the parrot, and also the snakes. So animals live in rainforest are frogs, macaws, large snakes, and monkeys. Then the plants that grow in the rainforests are very tall that they prevent the sunlight to reach to the plants. So the plants and the trees in the rainforest have big leaves to help to capture the light and can make their food by the light of the sunlight. The third type of the habitat is the grassland habitat. The grassland habitat, like you see in the picture, is located in dry and flat area of land, found always in dry and flat area of land. Dry, there are no many water, and flat, no rocks or mountains or so on. So the grassland found in dry and flat area of land. The animals, first, the grassland has two types. There are tropical grassland where the weather is warm all the year, and there are the temperate grassland where it is warm in summer and cool in winter. So there are two types of grassland: the tropical grassland, warm all the year; temperate grassland that is warm in summer and cool in winter. The animals that grow in the grassland habitats, like the birds, the prairie dogs, the rabbits, lions, and cheetah. And also the plants, they are tall grasses and bushes. This is the prairie dogs, how they like, and this is the cheetah, as you know. And this is the shape of the bushes that grow in the grassland. The last type of habitat in the world is the waterland habitat, and the waterland habitat always found in or located where water and land meet. The location or the waterland habitat always found where water and land meet, as you see in the picture, water and land meet. The animals that live in the waterland habitat, right? The turtles, they live in the water, and also the plants grow under. There are plants that grow under the water, and also there are plants that grow on the top of the water. Okay, so the turtles is from the animal that live in the waterland habitat because they can live in water, and also plants. There are plants that grow under or on top of the water. Thanks, Junior 3. We will complete this lesson in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.